Meaning of envelope.
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 Envelope. An envelope is a flat paper or cardboard container used for enclosing and sending letters, documents, or other thin items through the mail. It typically has a rectangular shape with a fold-over flap and can come in various sizes. The flap is usually sealed with adhesive to secure the contents inside. Envelopes are an essential item for communication via post or courier services and have been in use for centuries. They play a vital role in protecting the privacy of the content being sent and ensuring safe and secure delivery to the intended recipient.